All right, guys, we're gonna clean our sink with cleaning paste. Come along and join me. First, I went ahead and took my protective tray out and just kind of rinse off any extra gunk and food. And then I like to use my Spirisponge because it is scrubby yet anti-scratch. So the key is to get it nice and wet and then just dab it in your cleaning paste. And again, you guys know cleaning paste is not, you don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. So just keep getting some more as you need. And when mixed with water, it really just makes a great paste. What I love about cleaning my sink, it's like instant gratification. Do you see how muddy looking and dirty that water in there is? So we think our sinks are clean, but they're actually really, really nasty and harboring tons of bacteria. So I went ahead and gave everywhere a good scrub with that paste and let it set for just a little bit. And then I went ahead and rinsed. So rinsed and scrubbed, rinsed and wiped. Again, just watching all that gross, dull looking water just disappear down the drain. And it slowly just starts to reveal this beautiful shine, and it feels so, so clean. The cleaning paste, again, is our elbow grease in a jar. It does all the hard work for you without harsh and toxic chemicals. So you know that it's safe, you know that it's effective, you know that it's run through our no-no list that Norwex has pretty high standards of. And there you go, you get a sparkling clean sink.